Welcome to the fascinating world of Bitcoin, where digital currency reigns supreme. If you're reading this article, chances are you own some Bitcoin or are considering joining the exciting crypto community. But how do you prove that those shiny virtual coins actually belong to you? Fear not, because in this video, we'll delve into the concept of proof of ownership and explore various methods to validate your claim as a proud Bitcoin owner. So grab your cyber pickaxe and let's start mining for knowledge. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin, the revolutionary digital currency that took the financial world by storm, is a decentralized form of money that operates on a peer-to-peer network. Created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin offers users a secure and transparent way to conduct transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. At its core, Bitcoin is built upon blockchain technology. This distributed ledger system records every transaction made using Bitcoin and ensures its integrity through cryptographic algorithms. Unlike traditional currencies controlled by central banks, Bitcoin's supply is limited to 21 million coins, making it immune to inflationary pressures. One of the key features of Bitcoin is its ability to provide pseudonymous transactions. While all transactions are recorded on the blockchain for transparency purposes, users can maintain their privacy by utilizing unique addresses instead of revealing personal information. To ensure security and prevent fraud, Bitcoin employs complex mathematical calculations known as mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve these equations and validate transactions while being rewarded with new Bitcoins in return. In recent years, Bitcoin has gained widespread acceptance as a legitimate medium of exchange and store of value. It has captured the interest not only of individuals seeking financial freedom but also institutional investors looking for diversification opportunities. As you can see, Bitcoin represents a paradigm shift in how we perceive money and finance. Its decentralized nature empowers individuals with control over their own funds while offering greater efficiency and lower transaction fees compared to traditional banking systems. What is proof of ownership? What is proof of ownership? When it comes to Bitcoin, proof of ownership refers to the ability to demonstrate that you are the rightful owner of a certain amount of this cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional forms of ownership, which involve physical assets or legal documents, proving your ownership of Bitcoin relies on cryptographic keys. In simple terms, owning Bitcoin means having control over a specific set of private keys associated with your digital wallet. These keys serve as proof that you have the authority to transfer or spend the coins in your possession. To prove your ownership, you need to provide a digital signature using your private key for any transaction related to your Bitcoin address. This signature is derived from complex mathematical algorithms and verifies that you are indeed the authorized holder. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology ensures that transactions and ownership records are transparently stored across multiple computers on the network. This makes it extremely difficult for anyone to tamper with or falsify proof of ownership data. Understanding how proof of ownership works in relation to Bitcoin is essential for safeguarding your investment and ensuring secure transactions within this decentralized ecosystem. By being aware of these principles, you can confidently participate in the world's most popular cryptocurrency market. How to prove you own Bitcoin? When it comes to proving ownership of Bitcoin, there are several methods you can use. One way is by providing a digital signature, which is a cryptographic proof that verifies your control over the funds. This involves signing a message with your private key and sharing the signed message along with the corresponding public key. Another method is through transaction history. By providing details about previous transactions involving your Bitcoin address, you can demonstrate your ownership of those coins. This information can be obtained from blockchain explorers or wallet software. Additionally, you can provide proof of purchase by showing receipts or invoices from exchanges or merchants that show you acquired the Bitcoin in question. These documents should include relevant details such as dates, amounts, and addresses involved in the transaction. For added assurance, some individuals choose to create proof of existence documents using external services like timestamping services or notary platforms. These services help establish evidence that you own certain Bitcoins at a specific point in time. It's worth mentioning multi-signature wallets where multiple parties hold separate keys necessary for accessing and transacting Bitcoin held within an address. In this case, each participant would need to provide their portion of the signature to prove collective ownership. Remember that these methods may vary depending on specific circumstances and requirements set by different entities requesting proof of ownership. Bitcoin exchanges. Bitcoin exchanges. When it comes to buying and selling Bitcoin, one of the most common methods is through a Bitcoin exchange. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting buyers and sellers in a secure and regulated environment. There are numerous Bitcoin exchanges available, each offering different features and services. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitstamp. These platforms provide users with a user-friendly interface where they can easily trade their Bitcoin for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. To get started on a Bitcoin exchange, you typically need to create an account by providing your personal information and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds into your account using various payment methods such as bank transfers or credit/debit cards. Once you have funds in your account, you can start trading Bitcoin by placing buy or sell orders at the current market price or at a specific price that you set. The exchange will match your order with another user's order to facilitate the transaction. It's important to note that while using a Bitcoin exchange provides convenience and accessibility for trading cryptocurrencies, it also carries some risks. It's essential to choose reputable exchanges that prioritize security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage of funds. In conclusion, Bitcoin exchanges play a crucial role in facilitating the buying and selling of Bitcoin. They provide users with easy-to-use platforms where they can trade their digital assets securely. However, it's vital for individuals interested in cryptocurrency trading to do thorough research before selecting an exchange to ensure the safety of their funds.